Today in this video, we're going to take a look at the best rivet nut tool for your decision to ensure you get the best value for your needs, promotion smart technology for smoother visuals and more responsive touch. We'll compare the best rivet nut tool for smoother visuals and more responsive touch on the market and list their features and prices. Link in description box below. Subscribe to my channel and click on the bell. If you're in the market for a versatile and reliable rivet nut tool, the 14-inch and 16-inch rivet nut tool kit is a top-tier option worth considering. Designed for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts, this comprehensive kit includes everything you need to handle riveting tasks with confidence and precision. Why this rivet nut toolkit stands out? The standout feature of this toolkit is the inclusion of both 14-inch and 16-inch heavy-duty rivet nut tools, offering extra leverage and comfort when setting rivet nuts into tough materials. Whether you're working with metal, plastic, or fiberglass, the extended handles and ergonomic grips help reduce hand fatigue while increasing torque, complete with metric and SAE mandrels. What truly sets this kit apart is its dual compatibility with both metric and SAE mandrels. It includes a wide range of mandrel sizes, typically M3 to M12 in metric, and 832 to 1/13 in SAE, ensuring you're ready for any project. Whether you're assembling automotive components, furniture, or working on construction tasks, the flexibility is a game changer. Packed with rivet nuts, 70 PCS or 186 PCS options. Depending on your needs, the kit is available in 70 PCS or 186 PCS configurations of rivet nuts, neatly organized by size. This ensures you won't be running to the hardware store mid-project. The rivet nuts are made from high-quality zinc-plated steel or stainless steel for strength and corrosion resistance. Convenient carry case. Everything comes in a durable molded carry case with labeled compartments, making it easy to stay organized and portable, whether you're at the job site or in the garage. Bottom line, the 14-inch and 16-inch rivet nut toolkit is an excellent investment for those looking for durability, versatility, and ease of use. With its wide range of mandrels, ample rivet nut supply, and robust tools, it's easily one of the best rivet nut toolkits on the market today. Whether you're upgrading your toolbox or starting fresh, this kit delivers pro-level performance at a great value. Thanks for watching the video.